Today we start revision of same chapter, chapter number 2, that is number system. In the last class, we have discussed the conversion, how we convert decimal number to binary and binary number to decimal number. In this class, we will see about this binary arithmetic. I hope all of you know about this, how we add two numbers. To add two numbers, we need at least two digits. At least two digits. And the rule to add numbers, binary numbers like 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, and last is 1 plus 1. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 1. These all are the binary numbers. Binary numbers are in the form of zeros and ones only. The result of this 0 and 1 is, result of 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 0. Oh, sorry, 1. And then last 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Is it correct or not? Last one. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Is it true or false? No. Shreya is saying that no. 1 plus 1 is not 2. Very good. Sir, answer is 0. Very good. चलो आप लोगों को पता तो है 1 plus 1 2 नहीं होता. ठीक है. What is the correct answer for this 1 plus 1? Answer 0, carry 1. Very good. Answer 0, carry 1. Some of the students are saying 10. Very good. Okay, 0 with carry 1, or someone is saying like 10 means 1 0, or some are saying that 0. Good. Answer is, correct answer is 0 with carry 1. 0 with carry. But in the maths, the correct answer of 1 plus 1 is 2. Or in computer, is it equals to 0 with carry 1? How? Anybody knows about this? ऐसा कैसे हो गया? In maths, 1 plus 1, that is 2. ठीक है? But in computer, it is 0 with carry 1. Anybody knows? Sir, this is a rule. Very good. This rule तो है. No, sir. Sir, in binary language, 0 and 1 are used only. Yes, this is the correct answer. Manav. Manav is saying that, sir, in binary language, we use only 0 and 1s. Okay? So, here we cannot write 2. हम यहाँ पर 2 नहीं लिख पाएंगे. ठीक है? 1 plus 1, that is 0 with carry 1. Now, अब समझते हैं. किसी एक ने कहा था सर दिस इज रूल. श्रेया इज सेइंग दैट सर दिस इज रूल. ठीक है, आज इस रूल को समझते हैं. रूल बना कैसे? नाउ इन मैथ्स, कम टू द मैथ्स. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Clear? And this 2 is written in the form of decimal because 2 comes under decimal number system. 2 comes under decimal number system. So base of 2 is 10. This topic we have discussed in the previous class. Now 2 is written in base 10 and we want to convert this base 10 number into binary. So into binary, or binary number covers only two digits. One is 0 and second one is 1. So do you know how we convert decimal number to binary? Anybody knows how we convert decimal number to binary? What we have to do to convert decimal to binary? Divide or multiply? What we have to do here? Yes, we have to divide. Very good. Dipal is saying that we have to divide. Divide it by 2. Very good. Okay. Now we have to divide this number by 2. So you have to divide like this, 2 and 2. Clear? Divide this number by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and remainder is 0. Now we get quotient as 1. Quotient क्या मिल गया हमें? 1 मिल गया. So stop the division. Stop the division and write your answer in reverse order. Reverse order means from bottom to top. So means first you have to write 1 and then 0. According to this, we will write this. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 0. अब 1 0 आ गया. मैथ्स में आपने क्या पढ़ा है? This unit place comes as a result and the ones place number and the tens place number goes as a carry. ऐसे कुछ होता था. जो यूनिट प्लेस या वंस प्लेस में होता है उसे हम रिजल्ट लिखते थे और जो टेंस प्लेस में होगा उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? As a carry. That's why 0 is our answer with carry 1. Is it correct? Is it clear to all of you? हमने 2 को 1 0 कैसे लिखा और क्यों करा? Very good. So this is the reason, ठीक है, to convert any decimal number to binary. So 1 plus 1 is a decimal. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 is in decimal. Convert decimal number into binary. We get 1 0. So 0 is a answer with carry 1. Clear? Remove this. I am roughing this one. No. Now final answer is 0 with carry 1. Look in your book. Some examples are given. Like add. Question is add 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 and 1 0 0 1 1. Add these two numbers. So first you have to write this number in a column manner. Column manner like 1 1 0 1 1. Then 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 0 0 1 1. Add these numbers. Add these numbers. Clear? 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 1. Write your answer. 1 plus 1. Zero with carry 1. Very good. So 0 is the answer and 1 is our carry. Then here 3 ones are coming. 1 1 1. 1 plus 1. What is the answer? Again same. 1 plus 1. That is 1 0. 1 plus 1. That is 1 0. Here one more 1 is here. So 1. Now you have to add 1 1. Answer is 1 1. Here you have to write 1 and again carry is 1. Clear this point? 1 plus 1, that is 0. 1 plus 1 that is 0, 0 with carry 1 यहाँ आ गया, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 that is 1 0 and 1 is left, इसको 1 के साथ ऐड करेंगे. Now 1 0 add with 1, result is 1 1. Result is 1 1. The final answer you have to write here 1 and 1 is a carry. Again 1 plus 0 that is 1, 1 plus 0 1. Then 1, then 1 plus 1 1 0. So this is the answer 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is our final answer. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, write your doubt in the chat box. If you have any doubt in this question, please write your doubt in the chat box. Very good, no doubt. Clear? Good. Now I am giving one question to you. You have to convert this 11011 into decimal. 11011. You have to convert this number into decimal. Convert it. Do you know how we convert this number to decimal? One 1011. Convert this binary number to decimal. Convert this binary number to decimal. What is the result? Solve it fast. Open your cameras. मुझे दिख रहा है दीपाली कर रही है सॉल्व. बाकी कौन कर रहा है? समरा. आई थिंक पायल भी कर रही है. पायल का कैमरा ऑन है. वेरी गुड. यज्ञवर्धन भी कर रहे हैं. 27. 27. वेरी गुड. दीपाली का आंसर आ गया. गुड. दीपाली, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 27. वेरी गुड. Now 27 is the decimal equivalent of this number 11011. Convert this number 10011. Convert this number into decimal 10011. Convert this number into decimal. Yes, base is 10. 1 2, that base is 10. This is 19. Gauri Bansal. Okay. Yes, this answer is correct. 27 19. Now you have to convert 10111 this number to decimal number. 10111. Convert this number to decimal. Yes, Yuvraj. Gauri. Okay, 46. Shreya. This is the final answer, Shreya? 19 is not a final answer. Yes, Gauri, your answer is correct. Okay, right final answer, Shreya. 46. Yes, correct. 46 is the right answer. Now you have to add these two numbers, 27 plus 19. You will get same answer, 46. 9 plus 7, 6. Carry 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. In this way, you can verify your number. ठीक है, either you have to convert your binary to decimal and result also you convert binary to decimal and decimal result same आएगा. If your result is same, then your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. Is it clear? Page number 22 in your book. Topic name is binary subtraction. Topic name is binary subtraction. Clear? No. Rules for this, again same thing, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, then 1 minus 0, then 1 minus 1, then 0 minus 1. 0 minus 0, result is 0. 1 minus 0, result is 1. 1 minus 1, result is 0. Last case is 0 minus 1, that is 1. 0 minus 1, that is 1. How? अब 0 minus 1, 1 कैसे आया? How it is equals to 1? 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. How it is? Anybody knows? Hmm? 0 minus 0, that is 0. 1 minus 0, that means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1. In math, it is equals to minus 1. But here it is 1. Anybody knows? Write your answer. If I think nobody knows how we get 0 minus 1, that is 1. Sir, because it negative number. So this is negative number, so 0 minus 1, that means minus 1 आना चाहिए ना. But here answer is 1. आप ही का आंसर आया है कि सर आंसर इज 1. हाउ आंसर इज 1? रिजल्ट इज 9. रिजल्ट इज 9. ठीक है, 9 कैसे आया? दिस 1 एक्ट एज, क्या करा हमने? बोरो करा ना, बोरो. तो हियर दिस 0 चेंज विद 1 0, that means 10. Then 10 minus 1, result is 9. Similarly in computer, we take 1 as borrow and it makes 1 0. Now you know very well 1 0 is equals to 1 0 is in binary. 1 0 is in binary. Now you have to convert this 1 0 into decimal. Convert this 1 0 into decimal. 1 0. So 2 की power 0 and 2 की power 1. Multiply it by 2 की power 0 and 1. So 1 into 2 की power 1 plus 0 into 2 की power 0. That means 2 की power 1 is equals to 2 or 2 की power 0, that is 1. 2 plus 0, result is 2. So this means 1 0 in binary, it is equivalent to 2 in decimal. Clear? So instead of this 10, here we can write 2. Now 2 minus 1, that means 1. The final answer is our 1. Is it clear? First you have to take borrow from its neighbor. Now here 1 as a borrow, तो क्या आ गया? 1 0. Convert this 1 0 into decimal. Now 1 0 is equivalent to 2. 1 0 जो है 2 के बराबर है. Now 2 minus 1 result is 1. That's why 1 came here. Is it okay? Is it okay? Into decimal. What is the answer? 101. Convert this 101 into decimal. 101. This is 5. Very good, Harshdeep. Answer is 5. Good. Next, convert this 11 into decimal. Very good, Gauri. Convert this 11 into decimal. What is the result? 3. Very good. 3. Now you have to subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Very good, Gauri. ठीक है, answer is 2. Now you convert this 10 into decimal, so result is 2. So all are same now. In decimal 5 minus 3, result is 2. In binary 101 subtract with 11, result is 10. So both are same. Binary numbers. The rules for multiplication is 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0 and 1 into 1. This is same as maths. जैसे मैथ्स में होता है वैसे ही सेम यहाँ पर भी होगा. Same as maths. 0 into 0, result is 0. 0 into 1, result is 0. 1 into 0, result is 0. And 1 into 1, result is 1. Yes, 0, 0, 0, 1. Very good, Payal. Now take any number, 1, 0, 1. Convert 1, 0. Multiply this 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Then 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Final answer is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the answer. Clear? Multiplication is very simple.